Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Roji, your IP teachers. Today I am going to explain you the one more string operation performed in the string data. We have already discussed the plus multiplication and relational operation performed in the string data. Now today we will discuss the very important operation, that is operation with the membership operators. Means when we apply the membership operation in string, what will be the result? Membership operators means in and not in. In and not in is the two important membership operators. Means it will give the true or false value. Means either the subset of string present in the specified string, it will give the true value if we apply the membership operators in. And if we apply the subset string with the specified string with not in operators, means it will give the false value. So how the in and not in operators apply with the string data, we will explain you with the help of practical program. Practical means programming. We are using the Spider notebook for doing the Python programs. So let's share the Spider notebook where we perform the string operation with the membership operator. String operation with membership operators. Let's share the spider notebook. There are the two membership operators. Means suppose in N1 we are using the string, that is specified string, and in N2 we are search the string subset string. Means here we search the second string in enter string to be searched, enter subset string, and here we are using the membership operator. Suppose print and n2 print n2 in n1. Means if n2 is present in n1, it will give the true value. If n2 is not present in n1, it will give the false value. So let's execute the program. Suppose the first string is Gyan Niketan is senior secondary school, and second string is Gyan, and we are apply the membership operator, that is n2 in n1. That is Gyan is present in Gyan Niketan Senior Secondary School, means it will give the true value. Suppose here we are using not in operators, means not in operator. Suppose the first string enter first string. First string is Jan Niketan school, and subset string, this time we input the value just like A, B, C, and ABC not in Gyan Niketan school. That is, this statement is true. Means ABC not in Gyan Niketan school. and it will give the it have given the true value. Okay, it gave the true value. So this subset string will be searched with the n1 string. Means if n2 string is present with the n1 string. Now again we execute the program. I execute the given program. Suppose the value entered is Gyan Niketan and value to be searched, that is Gyan. Means Gyan is present in Gyan Niketan, but here we have used the not in membership operators. Then the value will be the false. That is the when we apply the in operators, it will give the true value. But here we have used the not in operations, so it will returns the false value. So in and not in is two important membership operators. Now again we are using a program in which we enter the string and the every characters of that string will be displayed on different line. Means how to display the characters of a string in different line. So n1 is a string where we enter the value from the console. Console, whatever the value entered by the user, it will store in the n1 variable. Now we are using for I in n1. Means here we are using the in operators. Means these operations, this loop will be executed if the value of I will be present in the n1. If the value of n1's the number of characters of the length of the string will be if the characters will be present in the n1. If the characters will not present in the n1, that means it loop will be the terminated. So for I in n1, next we print I. That means suppose the n1 equals to Gyan Niketan. Means G start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means at every positions, the characters of the string at every positions, means in sequential positions, will be stored in the I index variable. And we will print the I. Now, what will be the output of the I? Let's see. Suppose the entered string is Gyan Niketan. Gyan Niketan. Then the every characters of the Gyan Niketan will be displayed on the different line. Every characters of the Gyan Niketan will be displayed on the different line. So this is the important programs. Means enter I string and print every characters on different line. Now we can also use this type of program using the range function. For using the range function, first of all, we have to determine the number of characters in the string. Suppose n1 is a string, and number of length of string determined by the using the len function. And in len function, we are passing the number of string, length of string. And here we are using the for loop for I in range. I in range functions, we will pass maximum 3 argument in range function and minimum 1 argument in length function, range function. So here we are using the only 1 argument along with the range function. that is L. That means the start value of I will be the 0 and end value will be the L minus 1. Now we will use the print N1 and we provide the index number at the along with the square brackets, means at the N1 means the string value, means string at the 0 position, string at the 1 position, string at the 2 position, characters at the 4 position, characters up to the L minus 1 positions will be displayed. So we run the program. Suppose program value is Gyan Niketan. Then the different characters of the Gyan Niketan string will be displayed in the different line. So there is so many alternative way to write the program. So we can use this program either using the in or sequence operation, using the range function, using the while loop. So there are so many logic, there are so many alternative solutions for the program. So we have to develop the logic to calculate the, to manipulate the program, to develop the programming skills. Means we have to think the what will be the basic idea about the programming problems, and so we will identify the problem and analyze the program. After that we will do the program with appropriate programming language. So students, in next class we will explain you the other basic operations in the string data, means programming using the string data. So students, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.